Hello dear viewers, welcome. Myself Professor Meshramkar, Assistant Professor in Department of English, J.A.T, Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. The topic of my presentation is telephone communication. Dear viewers, nowadays technology has become a vital part of our life. We are surrounded by many inventions and innovations of digital era, and telephone is one of them. It is an important device to communicate our message in short period. In early days, keeping a mobile phone was a status symbol. But as time passed, slowly mobile phone has become a part of our life. Nowadays, it is a basic need of a person. Today, a person can forget his pen or wallet, but not a mobile phone, because everything is in his mobile phone. His social contacts, his social media, his money, his notes, internet, everything is in his mobile phone. So telephone is playing an important role in human life. And furthermore, Corona pandemic has made it an essential commodity. Dear viewers, during the pandemic, when we people were physically away from each other, this small device has kept us connected with each other. Telephonic communication has become a part of our day-to-day life. What is meant by telephonic communication? Telephonic communication is the communication that takes place between two people with the help of telephone. This telephonic communication is important because it saves time, it offers immediate feedback, and it is effective if the speaker modulates his voice. Now, we are going to see some specimen dialogues. Now, how to answer the telephone call and ask for someone. Here is a formal dialogue. The situation is given. The phone rings in the office of HOD Publishing Company. Receptionist: Good afternoon, HOD Publishing Company. Caller: Could I speak to the sales manager, please? Receptionist: Could I tell me who is calling, please? Caller: My name is Nitya Menon. I am calling from the Women's College Library. Receptionist: Thank you, ma'am. I'll put you through to Mr. Abdullah, the sales manager. Caller: Thank you. Now, dear viewers, here we have seen how to ask for someone and how to answer a call. Now, here is one more dialogue. This dialogue is informal dialogue. Now, the phone rings in Sitara's home. Sitara says, Hello. Caller: Hi Sitara, this is Arun. Sitara: Hi Arun, what's up? Caller: Nothing much. Remember, we have meeting tomorrow morning. Sitara: Thanks for reminding me, Arun. It's about the editorial for the school magazine, isn't it? Caller: Yes. Just wanted to make sure you will be there. Sitara: I will. Don't worry. Caller: Bye then. Sitara: Bye, Arun. Now, how to take and leave message. Now it is a formal dialogue. The phone rings in Mr. Ansari's home. Mrs. Ansari. Hello. Caller. Hello. I'm Jivan Prasad. Could I speak to Mr. Ansari, please? Mrs. Ansari. He has gone out. Can I take a message? Caller. Yes. Please tell Mr. Ansari I called. And could you ask him to call me back at 48723434, please? It's urgent. Mrs. Ansari. Could you repeat the number, please? Caller. 48723434. Have you got that now, Mrs. Ansari? Yes. 48723434. I will tell Mr. Ansari that you called. Caller. Thank you. Mrs. Ansari. You are welcome. Now, dear viewers, here is one more informal dialogue. The phone rings in Vasu's home. Vasu. Hello. Caller. Hello, Suresh Tau. Priya here. Vasu. Hi Priya, this is Vasu. Father has gone to the market. Anything important? Caller. No, not really. Just tell him that I have got the book he wanted. I'll bring it over on Sunday. Vasu. Right. I will tell him that. Caller. Thanks, Vasu. And how your exam going? Vasu. All right. I have the last one tomorrow. Caller. Good luck. See you on Sunday then. Vasu. Yes, bye. Caller. Bye-bye. Taking and leaving. Leave. This is a formal dialogue. How to take leave. The phone rings in the office of a college. Secretary. Good morning. Government Junior College, Ranchi. Caller. Good morning. Could I speak to Professor Rai, please? Secretary. Professor Rai is on leave. May I know who is calling? Caller. I am Jabbar Ali from Mehbubia College. Could I leave a message, please? Secretary. Just a minute, sir. Yes? Caller. Please tell Professor Rai that meeting to be held on 15th April has been postponed to 4th May. Secretary. Do you mind repeating that, sir? Caller. The meeting scheduled for 15th April has been postponed to 4th May. Secretary. Anything else, sir? Caller. You can ask him to call me if he needs any more information. My number is 28453536. Secretary. 28453536. Okay. I'll certainly convey your message, sir. Caller. Thank you. Secretary. You are welcome, sir. Now, how to make enquiries on phone. Now, here is formal dialogue. The phone rings in the Government Arts and Science College office. Office assistant. Hello, J.A.T. Caller. Could you tell me When you will be issuing application forms for BA first year course, please? Assistant. From Thursday, 25th April. Caller. What would be the price of a form? Assistant. 100 rupees, ma'am. Caller. What time can I buy one? Assistant. 10 to 4 from Monday to Friday. Caller. Could you tell me the last date for the issue of forms, please? Assistant. 12th May, ma'am. Caller. Thank you. Assistant. Most welcome, ma'am. Now, making inquiries on phone. One more dialogue. The phone rings in a railway enquiry office. Enquiry. Good afternoon, railway enquiry. Caller. Could you tell me when the Rajdhani Express to Delhi leaves, please? Enquiry. At 7:30 in the morning, ma'am. Caller. Is it a Delhi train? Enquiry. No, ma'am. It runs 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. Caller. Thank you very much. Enquiry. My pleasure, ma'am. Dear viewers, here we have seen that telephone conversation has three parts: beginning, middle, and ending. At the beginning of a telephone conversation, the person who answers the call says hello and gives the phone number or a name. Furthermore, the person who calls identifies himself or herself. Now, in the middle of the conversation, informal conversation, the people speaking on the telephone exchange information, keeping the dialogue brief and to the point. Means, formal conversation is always brief, whereas in informal conversations, they may talk to each other a little longer and also exchange news. The third part of telephone conversation is the end or close the conversation. Now, at the end of conversation, the people who are talking on telephone may say bye or thank you, thanks, or that's all right, that's okay. So it depends on the context. So dear viewers, here we have seen some specimen telephone communications. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.